So while browsing or scrolling through Facebook, if you're suddenly seeing this page is not available right now or page not found, there may be a technical problem, refresh to try again error, whether it's a personal profile or page. First of all, what you can do as prompted, just tap on refresh button, force quit this section and re-enter your Facebook app. Now, if you're still having the same issue on different pages, all the pages that you want to visit, most times it's an internet issue. So you gotta make sure you are using a functional, stable internet connection. Mobile data or Wi-Fi doesn't matter. You can quickly refresh the network by turning on airplane mode, wait for around 10 to 15 seconds before you can turn it off again. And at the same time, if you want, you can just restart your router as well. If it's still not working, just open settings, from apps, just search for Facebook, and whatever device you're using, just go ahead, clear cache of the Facebook app, and then you can clear data. Relaunch the app, try again. If it's still not working, showing the same error, just go ahead and check if you're using an updated Facebook app. If there is an update, just install the update. Otherwise, you can just uninstall the app and then reinstall it once again. And apart from that, whenever it happens, just go ahead, give your device a simple restart. Sometimes this might happen for a minor software glitch and a restart might solve it. Hopefully you're no longer seeing that error and you can visit any profile or page without any problem. Thanks for watching.